Welcome back to our channel. Today we are back at Trophy Motorsport for another installation day. So we have another first in Malaysia project ongoing. Over there, that's our client's brand new Audi RSQ8 being sent in for exhaust upgrade. And for this RSQ8, we are going to install the Capristo exhaust system. So this is going to be the first RSQ8 in Malaysia to be equipped with this Capristo exhaust system. Right now we are working on the car to remove the factory exhaust system out from the RSQ8 before we can install this beautiful catback exhaust system from Capristo. We have removed the factory exhaust system out from the RSQ8 and put this side by side to compare with the Capristo exhaust system. So first of all, look at this factory exhaust system. On the rear muffler section, it has a very huge and restrictive rear muffler, and also this is very heavy compared to the Capristo system. And down to the middle section, the factory system has this center resonator as well to cut off a lot of sound. While on the Capristo system, so obviously this Capristo rear muffler, by looking at the size, it is a lot smaller compared to the factory system, so that it gives the car more aggressive exhaust sound. And down to the middle section, this Capristo system actually removes the center resonator that has on the factory system. With this Capristo system installed on the RSQ8, you will get some performance improvements, and most importantly, there will be significant improvements in terms of the sound that this Capristo exhaust can create, because they removes the center resonator and redesign the rear muffler section so that it provides better exhaust gas flow and a lot more aggressive sound for the V8 engine. The owner bought this Audi RSQ8 brand new from Audi Malaysia. So according to him, this is one of only two Audi RSQ8 officially imported by Audi Malaysia. The Audi RSQ8 is finished off in this very special and striking green color. So what Audi call this is the Java green color for the RSQ8, and also this car has lots of carbon options on the car. On the rear diffuser, you can see it is finished off in carbon fiber. Then we have the chrome black exhaust tips, and to the front it has this carbon fiber front grille. Also on the front bumper inserts, these are all carbon fiber options. The side mirror covers are also finished off in carbon fiber, and to the interior we have this Alcantara steering wheel, and also full of carbon fiber options on the center console area and the dashboard area. And we have completed the very first Audi RSQ8 with Capristo Exhaust in the country. So let us know in the comment sections below what you think about this Audi RSQ8. How does it look with this exclusive Java green color? And of course, how does the brand new Capristo Exhaust sounds on the V8 twin turbo RSQ8? Remember to like and share this video, and also don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more exciting contents in the future.